Today we're in the kitchen at Proof of the Pudding, and you're going to show us how to make the classic Christmas sugar cookie.
Yes.
So tell us, what is your favorite thing about Christmas sugar cookies?
My favorite thing is decorating cookies with my son. He's 8 years old now. He just wants to eat them now, but we used to have a lot of fun. He was like 4 and 5. Bring in a little chair and get into the sugar and like dip butter in sugar like I used to when I was little and eat that by itself. So he used to love making sugar cookies with me. Now I kind of just make them for him, and like he's like, "Oh, that's pretty."
It's one of my favorite things to do at Christmas is to decorate cookies with my kids.
Yeah.
Talk us through how to make the cookie, and it's going to be available for people to get the recipe and make their cookies at home. Okay, wonderful.
First, you're going to cream your cup of butter and sugar together until it's nice and incorporated and smooth, and then you're going to add in your eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla extract and almond extract. And once that's all nice and incorporated, you're going to add in your flour, baking soda, and baking powder. And then when all that comes together into a nice ball, it's ready to roll out. You're gonna make sure your countertop is very clean and dusted with a little bit of flour. The trick here is to make sure you're not using too much flour and not over mixing your dough, because then it's gonna be like a tough cookie. It's not gonna be as nice and tender. And then once your dough is about 1/2 inch thick, 1/4 inch more so thick, you're gonna cut it out. We're doing a tree. And then we're gonna do a base where we're gonna have our snow and then a couple of presents. We're gonna bake that at 325 for about 15 minutes.
And are there any tips for getting like that perfect icing sugar for the cookies?
Yeah, the tip for your royal icing, I like to use royal icing, and that's just egg whites and powdered sugar. You want it to be workable, but you don't want it too thin. A lot of times people make their royal icing too thin. A lot of recipes call for like 1 too many egg whites or too much lemon juice, and that just makes it too thin and it's harder to work with, and it's gonna be a messy looking cookie. And so our tree is finished with the light. We have our snowy base with our white icing, and then our presents are white and red presents. And then this is it finished.
Wonderful. I'm amazed at the variety of desserts that you guys make at Proof of the Pudding. I haven't tasted one that I haven't loved. So thank you so much for sharing this recipe today. I know I can't wait to make it at home with my kids and decorate some cookies.
Great.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.